We're here in a 2014 to 2019 Toyota Tundra. We just installed the Hamilton Upgrade Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. In this video, I'll show you how to pair and set up wireless CarPlay as well as the audio. This is the Hamilton underlying operating system. Long holding for 3 seconds, the voice speech button on the steering wheel switches between the factory Toyota system and the new Hamilton system. The new Hamilton system has wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, as well as wired CarPlay and Android Auto. Starting in audio, you want to come here and make sure that your unit is in aux mode. The phone will stream data through to the Hamilton system, and the Hamilton system has grabbed your aux line behind the factory radio. You're going to want to make sure that you're in aux mode. You can toggle between the audio modes either by pressing source or by pressing the mode button on the steering wheel. Aux mode will be for CarPlay to play audio. You can also have your car in AM, FM, or XM mode, or your CD, and have CarPlay showing a navigation. Long holding that voice speech button for 3 seconds brings us back to CarPlay. Let's go ahead and set up wireless CarPlay now. Pull out your iPhone, open up Settings, and come to the Bluetooth menu, and you're going to look for a new Bluetooth device starting with a Hamilton. Click on it. When the pairing code pops up, click Pair. Click Allow to save contacts and favorites. And if you get a prompt that says Use CarPlay, click Use CarPlay. And just like that, CarPlay will automatically open. We're not done quite yet. I have a few important notes to tell you. You want to make sure that your phone is only connected to the new Hamilton Bluetooth network. So once again, long hold that voice speech button for 3 seconds. We'll come to Home, Settings, Bluetooth, and delete all your devices from the factory Bluetooth and turn it off. As well, you'll want to forget the factory Tundra Bluetooth from your device. Here it is, Apple CarPlay, music is working, you can see the backup camera works just as it did from the factory, and of course your steering wheel controls will continue to work for volume and other functions as well. If you have any questions, give us a call at 919-858-2890. You can talk to me or one of my teammates. My name's Dave, and I'll see you in the next video. Check us out, HamiltonMotorCompany.com.